Nĩ tabarĩra ya ũhandi wa mĩtĩ ĩrĩa ĩratwarithio na mbere nĩ timu ya mũbira wa Gonya ya Kabras Sugar, maobitha mĩtitũ ya Kakamega na ikundi cia atumia. Timu ĩyo ya mũbira wa Gonya yayũkia ũhotani wa finals na kũiga thĩ timu ya KCB ĩrakinyĩrire maobitha mĩtitũ na ikundi cia atumia nĩguo mambĩrĩrie tabarĩra ĩno.
We do talk about some of these issues and we figure out how best can we come in as a team and as a company to find various ways, offer various solutions so that we can also elevate some of the issues like poverty and so that our community doesn't end up doing illegal encroachment to the forest.
Kakamega forest also, it's a forest which is under a lot of pressure from the surrounding population. As you know, the population here is quite high in Kakamega. The poverty levels are also quite a bit high, so many people also look for livelihoods within the forest. And we really must work together with the community to protect the forest, which we are doing.
Maobitha mĩtitũ arĩa megũkorwo makĩheana mĩngũrwa mekũriũngana timu ĩno macukuru-inĩ matiganĩte, makanitha-inĩ na njũĩ-inĩ gũtigĩrĩra nĩ mahanda mĩtĩ ya gũcokia riri wa Kakamega.
For this site. But for the farmers, we encourage them to plant all types of trees and ensure that they grow. So we are encouraging everybody to walk into our nurseries, buy the seedlings, and then go and plant within their farms.
That are quite a number and which are appropriate to different ecosystems that we work in. So we also advise on which species do well where. That's proper site species matching, because we don't just plant any tree anywhere. So we advise on the ecological requirements for different species and where they do best. And then we also advise on appropriate spacing.
We are trying to conserve the Yala River that goes through the Kakamega forest. In that, we know that the community living around it will have clean and quantity water, and they will also not encroach the forest. So we are trying to empower the women on the cultural aspect that they can also be part of conserving the forest, because when it comes to looking for firewood, looking for water.
Matanyĩte kũhanda mĩtĩ 5,500. Rĩu timu ĩno ĩkĩhinyĩrĩria timu ingĩ kũnyitanĩra nao na gũtwarithia na mbere tabarĩra ĩno.
We need to educate our community and we need to educate our children as early as possible on the importance of this. So when the boys go out, when the coaches go out to coach these kids in different primary schools around the region, we also make sure that they're very much aware of our tree planting programs. We start that early with them so that one of the mantras we use is we are not only planting the seeds of tomorrow, literally, in the forest, we're also planting that with our kids so that as we develop them to be better rugby players, we also develop them to be better men.
Moete ikinya rĩrĩ hĩndĩ ĩno mbura yambĩrĩirie kura, gũkũ makĩhinyĩrĩria mũingĩ kũmenyerera mĩtĩ ĩno itemi-inĩ rĩa gũkinyanĩria rĩtana rĩa ũhandi wa mĩtĩ bilioni 15 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.